Uninstaller is a user-friendly and efficient software uninstallation tool designed to help users remove unwanted programs and leftover files from their computers. Developed by Wise Cleaner, this software ensures that applications are completely removed without leaving behind any residual data, which is a common issue when using the built-in uninstallation tool in Windows. It offers a straightforward and safe solution for cleaning up your system and freeing up disk space. One of the key features of Wise Uninstaller is its ability to detect and remove not only installed programs, but also browser toolbars, plugins, and other system components that may be difficult to uninstall through traditional methods. The software performs a thorough scan after the uninstallation process, ensuring that no leftover files, registry entries, or other remnants remain, which helps prevent potential slowdowns and system errors over time. In addition to its core uninstallation capabilities, Wise Uninstaller also includes a built-in Force Uninstall feature. This is particularly useful for stubborn programs that refuse to uninstall or when you encounter issues with incomplete uninstallation. The software allows users to manually search for and remove these problematic programs, making it a powerful tool for advanced users who need more control over their system. The software also comes with a useful logs feature that keeps track of the uninstallation process, offering detailed reports on what was removed. This can be helpful in tracking changes made to your system and ensuring that no important files or settings are accidentally deleted. Furthermore, Wise Uninstaller's clean and simple interface makes it accessible to both beginners and more experienced users, offering a fast and intuitive experience. Whether you're looking to free up storage, improve system performance, or completely remove unwanted software, Wise Uninstaller provides a reliable and comprehensive solution. Its advanced features and ease of use make it an indispensable tool for anyone who wants to manage their software installations efficiently and maintain a clutter-free system.